YouTube, I'm Lizzie and I am the Discount Vegan. I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces so that you can save time and money on what you eat and spend it or save it for something else. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into today's video. So on today's video, we are doing something that is good all year round, any day of the week, can be prepped ahead of time and frozen, and it tastes really good. So let's do some waffles. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients real quick, and I'll have the cost of the groceries and how much the actual recipe costs on the screen. You need 1 3/4 cup of flour. I used all-purpose. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 2 flax eggs, 5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, so let's get to making this. You're going to want a bowl and something to sift your dry ingredients through. This just helps it incorporate a lot easier. You're going to want to put your flour and all of your dry ingredients in. So we have our flour, our salt, baking powder, and sugar, and you're just going to want to sift that all together. Helps get out any lumps and all of that jazz that you definitely don't want in any type of bake. Now that we have our dry ingredients, literally we're just going to put in our milk very carefully. This was not smart of me. That was right to the rim full. And then our flax egg, 2 flax eggs for 2 regular eggs. And then, of course, our oil and vanilla. I mixed them in the same bowl because they separate anyhow. So now that's all in, and we just need to mix it up. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm using a little cookie scoop. You can get these at the dollar store nowadays, but you don't have to. You can use just a spoon or a measuring cup. Get your fun waffle iron and start scooping out those waffles. I just need 1 large scoop for my little waffle iron. It's so cute. Look at it. And it's blue too. And now you just wait. And you're gonna do this over and over again until you are done with your batter. So I'm showing you the first one, and then I will just make the rest because that is something you don't need to see. Et voila! Just like that, we have a finished waffle. Now, I use a fork. I don't necessarily recommend it, but all those little nooks and crannies still have steam in them, so you can't just pick them up, unfortunately, with your fingers. So here's me fumbling, not doing a great job, but that is 1 waffle down, and let's make more. Okay, guys. Waffles are all done and all served up. So if you liked this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe down below and hit that bell notification. I upload every single Wednesday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!